Habulin natin yung sunrise. So sa kabilang ano yun, sa kabilang Boracay. Ayan, nagmamadali na kami para mahabol namin guys. Ano si Wing, kasama natin si Wing guys. Ayan. Habulin natin. Kagising lang namin. Madali lang para mabuta namin yung sunrise. Time check. 5:25. 5:30 right, babe? 5:40? Yeah, we can make it. And 5:40 pa.
Go like that. Yeah, that way, and you can put the sun underneath. No, hand needs to go that way, right.
Here.
Eggy. Eggy. You okay? Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Vivian. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Ang linaw. Ang ilaw. So for today's video guys, this is day 3 namin. So ang gagawin namin guys, so kanina nag-sunrise tayo guys. So now ang ano natin, ang ganap natin guys is magsisailing kami ni Maria tsaka yung friend ko. So sa meron doon ang dami oh. Bakit wala naman doon? Wala po. Lakad lang kami. Ayan. Ayan. We're going to sailing. Nandun lahat, B. Wala naman doon. Kung magsisailing. Ako na. Halos lahat nandoon. Ha? Alam nila yun. Ha? Oo. Ako nasa taas eh. Alam mo naman ako, malula talaga. You relaxing, girl? Just make you lullaby?
No! This whole thing is jumping.
Oh yeah?
I'm just looking at the sky.
Oh yeah?
Though it's not beautiful.
Hindi ko naman talaga trip to
I
eh.
want to see the corals now. I want to see the corals.
Hindi ka nalulula, Di.
Wait, Mom! Mom, be quiet. I'm trying
Alam
to
mo
look
naman
at
ako, majonda na.
Mom, be quiet. I'm trying to look at the corals now.
You're the one that quiet na.
Be quiet. I'm looking at the corals. Fish are.
Yay! Kumakain ako. Ang ganda! Ay, ang ganda niya! Ang ganda niya!
Oh my god, you guys are so ayun na, lumabas na.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, ang ganda! Wow!
All you have to say is
Yes, it's beautiful, you know.
yun to
Pakita
pa.
siya.
God.
That's God creation, nak.
I
You should to
know.
be appreciate.
I know, I like it. It's beautiful, but you don't have to say, oh.
That's why, what's gonna be reaction?
That's what you sound like.
Ano? Ganda. Ang ganda niya, guys. O, diba? Pag nakita niyo siya ng malapitan, ang ganda. Ganda. Sobra. Pero mo, no? Kung malapit. Parang bata na siya. Ayaw din. Alam mo, bata eh.
Feels like Fifi. Feels like Fifi. Feels like
Ayan, nakadaong na tayo. Kami lang yung naka-makeup. Oh, saan ka? Kaya pag nag-ano kay ceiling boat kayo guys, walang makeup, naka-betting shoot. Tingnan mo, basang-basang. Basang-basa oh. Alam ko lang nag-rush guard na ha. Kung alam ko lang eh. Nagpaayos pa kami ng mga book namin.
Hello guys, we're
Morning. Say good morning guys.
Good morning guys. Today we will be going turtle watching. I don't know. We'll be snorkeling and stuff. And that will be it. Pretty much very excited. I'm kind of excited. I don't know. We should be going downstairs. We're gonna meet Uncle Dave and then we're going to sleep. That's probably it. And
Yeah.
let me know how you do.
Here.
Is Chuseok holiday over?
Yeah, in Korea.
Oh my god, then everybody texted me.
I think so. Except you. Lucky you.
Yeah.
We're on the way
If I was
to
showing-
Island Hopping, guys.
If I was showing this to Judah, I would just go like, hey Judah.
Say hi then. Shut up. Hold
Shouts out to Judah.
Had a little bit too much last night, like.
Straight. Dito. Straight here.
What, alcohol? Yeah, and food though. Fuck, I was up all night pissing. Oh, no, hungover. No, not hungover, no. Transfer bisa ndak? Pinakaaga? Ay, may ano daw, may mabagat pinaga. With the disturbance. Malayo na
Kuya.
para sailing ba?
Wow, mura nga talaga si Kuya Giovanni.
Basta makaya ko, ibigay ko yun sa inyo. No problem.
The parasailing, Kuya give 1,300. Here we go! Who was excited then? We're here now. We start for island hopping.
Is it like a speedboat?
No, it's like the bangka. It's like the boat.
Just a normal boat?
Yeah.
Ito naman yung service nila pag gusto nyo mag-parasailing. Yun.
Ayan.
Yeah, good man.
pareho lang. Ay, okay na kuya. Ilan lang naman tayo eh.
8 packs naman yung capacity niya.
Oo.
Malaki naman.
Where's Michael?
Okay, just for a while. Maria, where'd you get from? Okay. Hold his hand, hold his hand.
Can I sit there, Mom?
Yeah, you can.
Later, just for a while, just for them. Okay, hold the sensor. Slowly, slowly. Oh,
Copy.
okay.
What is in the water? Happy holidays!
Maria, you really should do the parasailing. Right?
Yeah, with uncle.
Patrick down back to school and say you know that.
Here now the crystal water.
Put it in the baby stand. What's in the death stand? Every night.
Nilipat na naman guys yung mga activities pero kahapon ano sila nando sa kabila sa harapan sa White Beach pero kasi nga mahabagat na naman nilipat na naman sila dito. Ayan.
What do you recommend for us all to take to get rid of the shit that's coming out the aircon?
Ayan po yung captain namin. Captain! Wave naman!
No, but what should we take? Hill-wise. Oh, okay. When we got the top, yeah, we'll get it. And then Samsung top one. You mind them? Alright.
Ay, kasi kahapon lahat natin dito sa harap. Ay, kumano naman. Lalakas yung alon, kaya lumipat sila na. Lumipat naman. Habagat. Ah. Kaya ilan tour yan, kuya? Land tour? Hindi. Pupuntahan namin Coca Beach and after that, then, snorkeling kami. And then after no, pupunta kami ng Crystal Cove. Hindi ko pa na-try ang Crystal Cove dito sa Boracay, guys. Doon sa helicopter. We're gonna burn our face then. Hi guys! Muntik na!
Okay lang yun, ma'am. Wala pa namang ulo si Shopee, ma'am.
Wala talaga, be! Enjoy! Tagal mo eh! Bagal mo!
Isa pa, isa pa.
Come on, your head lang. Yay! Yeah! Sama si kuya. Ang ganda ng tubig talaga, oh! Pero hindi naman tututumba. Si Tita Ruth, oh, naglalakad. Pinababurn. First time lang yan sa Boracay, kuya. Bigyan niyo na experience. Si Tita Ruth. Ha? Saan? 2,000 bigay sa amin. 3 na kami. Oo. Tingnan mo. Oh. Yung na picture, video na lang. O sige, gawin mo dyan. Ha? Pwedeng sabay lagi, di?
Alin? Oo nga, no? Wala na, nangyari na, Ibi. Pagbalik. May pabalik pa naman, huwag ko mag-alala. Ha? O, sige, close din ko. Yeah! Hindi. Kaibigan.
Ilan yung kasama ni Ma'am Naiwan doon?
3. Isang bata, 2 matanda. Pero pag maalon dito, kuya. Pag maalon dito, kaya to, kaya pa rin maganda.
Depende po, ma'am.
Kung kaya naman kasi mataas talaga kasi.
Depende talaga sa bisita, ma'am. Kaka-cancel sila, ma'am. Wala ka. May tikita naman na okay naman.
Hindi naman kayo naanohan ng bagyo. Oo. Let's do the parachute later, ano, Maria. Tignan mo, oh, tubig. May ganyan sa Siargao eh. Ganyan, oh. Yung tinatawag nila doon. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan. Go!
I'm scared. Ow, my feet.
Told you. Hala, grabe. Ang ganda! Thank you, Lord! Marte ka, Day. Ang ganda, no? Uy, Ruth, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ay, may flashlight ka rin ba? Ma'am, punta dito, ma'am. Tingnan mo, ma'am. Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda, grabe! Yan, ganda.
Mommy, I can't see anything.
Ay, flashlight, kuya. Ah, okay. Ay, doon sa labas, no? Wow, it's nice.
Peter, after finish, ano?
Pictures? Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda niya. Picture muna tayo, nak. Let's take a picture first.
Tuloy.
Yeah.
Kasi mag-guide pa. Ano, wait.
Malalim niya. Oo. Malalim. Baby, babaw lang yan. Pero kailangan mo rin pa rin ng ano kasi malalim na dun. Paano mag-picture?
Ako ang bahala dyan, ma'am.
So, anong gagawin namin, kuya? Sa labas. Okay, then. Saan tayo, kuya, picture? Yeah. I think they're coming now. I'm joking. Do you think they have? Baliw.
Dala ko po sila yan.
Pictures.
Okay. Kabila ba?
Kakamera ko.
Uy! Ano yung sa likod niyo, ma'am?
Si Dugo. Okay. Here we go! Tatalon tayo, guys. Tatalon tayo dito. Yan. Sa Crystal. Yeah, welcome to my life. 1, 2, 3, go! What? Sarap? Yung bag ni Ruth kuya, ha? Makalimutan mo. Doon. Let's go, baby. Ito tayo. Okay. Let's go. Grabe, ang alat. Masarap talaga pag yung water. Come on, dali na Maria, let's go. We go to the other side. Let's go! We have look, oh. You don't need to swim. It's not like semi-Siargao. Sa Siargao kasi kuya, pumasok kami, pailalim. Let's go!
Oh, my life jacket!
Sorry? Dali, Bin, langoy doon. Labas tayo. Lalabas tayo doon. Oh, ang ganda, oh.
I think something bit me.
Ha?
I think something bit me.
Oh, really? That's a fish.
My stomach hurt.
Logo.
My stomach is...
Hihilahin kayo ni Kuya. Tingnan nyo, pinapagod nyo si Kuya. Wow, that's good, Kuya. Ako taga-video. Wow! Okay. Ano, pahirap na tayo sa buhay, Ruth. Gusto prinsesa. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda sobra dito. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo, oh. Dito kami sa ilalim ng cave. Ayan, oh. Galing kami doon. Saan kami galing? Wala. Yan. Grabe, yung alon, no? Sobrang alon. Grabe ang alon. So, galing kami sa loob. Tapos ang gagawin namin nila kuya, iikot kami doon para pumunta doon sa kayak. Where's your mask? The goggles. Make sure you didn't lose it or else you're gonna pay for that. Ayan, doon kami, lalangoy kami guys. Malangoy kami ngayon. Going there. We going back to the the main entrance. Ito yung nilabasan namin guys, oh. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda sobra. It's really wonderful experience. Diba, Ruth? Is it good? Ang sarap ng buhay mo, hinihila ka. Parang ang prinsesa dyan. Ayaw lumangoy, guys. Ayaw niyan lumangoy. First time niya pumunta dito sa Boracay, para siyang prinsesa. Ang dami niyang bodyguard. Ay, Diyos ko. Kami kasi, sanay na kami sa mga ganito activities. Talagang mga extreme. Yung mga anak ko, magagaling talaga lumangoy mga yan. Hindi sila totally takot. Sila ang nalayo na nila. Ako nandito pa rin. Diba? Alayo na nila sa akin, oh. Tinangoy lang. Yun. One more. Do it. Love, heart, heart. One another boat then. Heart, heart. Give heart, heart. And wave.
Ang pagod ah.
Sabi ni know what Tita Ruth said? Come on, make faster. And Kuya said like, what do you think of me, robot? Lagay na, lagot ka. Ang ina mo, lulubog ka ni Kuya. Bisot na sa'yo. Grabe, oh. Ang ganda ng Boca Beach, oh. Pa-picture tayo dun sa Boca Beach and then ano. Ay, aba. Nagkasundo yata kayong dalawa. Ang ganda ng takbo nyo, ha. Pauwi na. Nag-complain ng lola mo, no?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another one, another pose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Jump. Okay, jump, jump. Wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2, jump. Picture, camera. May video, may camera. Okay.
Human drone ba yun, kuya? Drone ba yun?
Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. Ayaw mamadal lang.
Naka-full na, kuya.
Full na to, ma'am.
Ayaw na gumana.
Ah, you got it?
No, it's nothing.
Put it back. Then. Got a
Yeah, it's a little knock.
We got a fish.
Oh, look
So,
at
yun, ay sabi, oh, meron pala eh.
Waka, kuya, dali.
Ayun, oh, si kuya, oh. You have here, container.
Yeah.
You have container, come on. Galing.
Are you on the bottom, Meg?
No, go ahead and then put your goggles now.
And then bring this camera, Nak. Nak, you want to bring the camera? For take a video? Okay then.
Everybody get off the boat. There's actual fish down there.
1,000? I'm gonna go down too.
For the fish?
No, you're gonna put the fish in there.
Daddy, how old is this?
Oo, hawak ka lang.
I want to get one fish.
Hawak ka lang sa tali, hindi ka naman lulubog. Pag umawak ka ng tali.
Can you touch your bottom, Maggie? Right.
I want to get fish. Dad, is the water so cold? Oh, yeah,
Are you gonna get some...
I want to get one.
Hey, Sir Charlie! Look the fish! Hey! Leo, put it here. Put it here.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let me
Oh!
see.
It's an angelfish.
Ang galing ni Kuya! Ang galing ni Kuya!
He's right.
Now get some bread then.
I don't want to see.
Maria, you'll see them in the water.
Yes, you.
See plenty in the water. Go on. Go on, just jump in.
Ay, again! Ang galing ni Kuya.
Oh, there's a fish.
Yeah. Can we bring that in Korea?
Thank you.